Meaning of deceitfulness.
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 Deceitfulness. Deceitfulness refers to the act of being dishonest or misleading. It involves telling lies or withholding important information in order to gain an unfair advantage or manipulate a situation. The result of deceitfulness can be detrimental to both the deceiver and the deceived, as it erodes trust and damages relationships. It can also have practical consequences, such as legal or financial penalties. In personal relationships, deceitfulness can cause emotional pain and turmoil. Overall, deceitfulness undermines integrity and harms the individuals involved as well as society at large.